Hello everyone, my name is Reza Nugraha. I am an undergraduate student of informatics in Telkom University. One of the fields of informatics is artificial intelligence, or we call it AI. AI is a very big topic, but in this occasion, I will explain to you one of the interesting applications of AI. Before we go any further, I want to give you something interesting. So, this is Tom Cruise, and this is Robert Downey Jr., we know as an Iron Man. With AI, we can make Tom Cruise as an Iron Man like this. As you can see, both of them look like authentic, but one of them is manipulation, known as a deepfake. And that is what I want to talk about. So, deepfake is a tempering or manipulation technique that allow user to swap the face of an individual with any other person that will make look and sound authentic. Now, we start from the origin. The story of deepfake starts from 1865 with the face portrait of US President Abraham Lincoln was swapped with the John Calhoun face with a manual drawing. Nowadays, deepfake is a deep learning technique to enhance the performance of image compression. Generative learning models and dimensionality reduction autoencoders are used to compact representation of image. Furthermore, autoencoders, while minimizing the loss of function, have the ability to extract representation of compressed image. So, people can create a deepfake by using hundreds or maybe thousand images of per person and applying the techniques that I mentioned before. Think about use of deepfakes. Actually, deepfake can be used for a various purpose. For multimedia purpose, through a deepfakes, actor dialogue or expression could be synthetically be replaced, which will not only ease the work of editing and save time, but can also reduce the cost of production. Deepfakes can also be used in a variety of a different social application, like applications related to remote teaching, speech therapy, virtual or personalized assistance, and a real-time language translation. However, in recent years, the application of deepfakes has enhanced the phenomenon of fake news as a modern social problem. This is because with the deepfake, we can make a fake news video using the face of important figures. Evidence such as image and video used in a court or police investigation were generally considered to be a reliable source, but with deepfakes it can be manipulated. The arrival of deepfake demand a continuous assessment of the ethical aspect, but due to evolution of internet technology, users can easily gain access to the tools necessary to create the deepfakes. It means there's no system, either technological or legal, can stop the use of deepfake, and continuous harm is expected in the ethical and moral perspective. In the end, deepfakes have their advantage and disadvantage. It just matters how we can use deepfake wisely. That's all for me. Thank you and see you next time.